As the entire state of Assam is gearing up for the joyous 400th birth anniversary celebration of Bir Lachit Borphukan on 22nd of November. Likewise, Krishna Barua, ACS Deputy Commissioner of West Karbi Anglong, called for a press conference at Deputy Commissioner Conference Hall, Hamren, on 19th of November to brief about the event schedule and preparedness for the event at West Karbi Anglong District. Krishna Barua, ACS Deputy Commissioner of West Karbi Anglong, while briefing the media, informed that on 19th of November, essay competition was organized in every schools, and on 20th of November, cleanliness drive would be carried out at Hamren and Donka town areas. Also, a blood donation camp would be set up on 24th of November. Various literary events like recitation, quiz, painting, extempore speech competition and photo exhibition on the life of Lachit Borphukan would be organized on 21st November.
It's already done. Then today on 19th, in all schools, essay competition is going on. Then on 20th, tomorrow, we'll be having social work day. For this, there will be a cleanliness drive in Hamren town and also in Donka areas. Then there will be a blood donation camp. So we have deferred the blood donation camp to 24th as the medical team can, as in Karbi Anglong, they have two donation team out there. So it is not possible for them to come over on 20th. So for us, the blood donation camp will be on 24th. Then there are other programs that we have chalked out in different areas. The first one will be on 21st. There we will have three programs, one at Dalimbari, one at Bethalangsu and one at Umla Fair.
On the occasion of Bir Lachit Borphukan Divas, a garlanding ceremony would take place and it would be followed by deliberation on the life of Bir Lachit Borphukan by the speakers. A live webcasting from Delhi would also be displayed, followed by prize distribution to the winners of essay competition to their children, and a small cultural program would be organized at Tumpreng on 24th November. Also, requested the citizens of West Karbi Anglong to write a short paragraph or essay on Lachit Borphukan life and upload it to the Assam government's portal.
Bir Lachit Borphukan. Then it will be followed by a deliberation on his life by a speaker. Then we'll be webcasting the program that will be held at New Delhi. After that, prize distribution among all the students will be held there, and a small cultural fest will be there. And also on 24th, there will be a cultural program at Tumpreng Bazaar area. So there will be a drama on Lachit Borphukan and also other traditional dance and also traditional songs will be performed there. So everyone is invited, and I will request everyone to write a few paragraphs on Lachit Borphukan's life and upload it in the Assam government's portal.
Daniel in his report from Hamren for Karbi Anglong Live.